Oh, hey, see you there. What's good, YouTube? So, first things first, I got a Discord server, link in the description. New people are join in, become a part of the community. You can post your progress pictures, I'll be giving advice. Other elite waivers will be giving advice. So join the Discord server, link in the description, and it'll be fun. Now, I got a couple products sent in the mail. Let me take this off. From 26 King Wavy. Boom. And also a brush. So now, my favorite product here is this. The Butter Moisturizer. This is really, really, really good. Because first of all, it just smells really nice. It smells really good. My grandma said she loves the smell. It smells really good. How wet this is. That's beside the point. But yeah, it smells really good. And the thing about this, right? It's a butter and a moisturizer. It's a 2-in-1. So it's summertime, right? So instead of adding in, heavy product, heavy moisturizer, putting that in your head, and then going ahead and adding oil, and then adding another butter, that's automatically having product buildup. But instead, you just have to use this and a light oil, and you're good. From now on, this is what I'm gonna be using to moisturize my hair. I've been wanting to get this product for a long time now. And I finally got it. And I don't think I'm gonna go back. Cause this right here, bro, the smell, it's like a sweet cake. A really sweet cake. But yeah, love this. This is what I recommend to moisturize your hair with. Cause like I said, it's a 2-in-1. Cause when you put in like a heavy moisturizer and a heavy butter, that gives you a lot of product buildup, and that's not good for your hair. It's harder to even get the first wash in your washing styles because you got so much products in your hair. And also, cost. Instead of having to buy the moisturizer, that could be like $20 to $30, and then having to find a butter, which is super hard to do, and then buy the butter, which is also like $10 to $30. That adds up. But this 2-in-1 for the price of one smells better than both of them. Works great. All natural. Look, if it has 10 or more ingredients, this goes for everything. 10 or more ingredients, stay away. But this has 7, and you know what all of those are. If you know anything about hair, you know what these are. But let me see. You know what these ingredients are. This is what you want to be using to moisturize your hair. We got some Durags. I love my 26 King Wavy Durag. This is always what I used to wear the most. Nice white silky. You wanna know what happened to my old white silky from a random brand? Let me show you. This is what happened. Ripped up, holes in it, boom. And I did not treat this bad at all. Look at that, it's how it came. And it just got worse. It's my old white silky. I should rip this apart, but that hurts too much to do. But this right here, perfect. Get to promote, looks good, and it won't rip up on you. So I should throw that in the trash. And a nice velvet durag. There's still value in velvet durags. They're really, really, really good for double compression, especially like this, and it's black, it looks good. I do recommend getting this. If you're gonna buy velvet durag, get one like this. And for all products, link in the description, use promo code MANJ15 or MANJ15, however you want to say it, for 15% off. And also got this medium firm brush. I needed a new medium firm brush. I might just give this one away though. But yeah, medium firm is real nice. Yeah. Nice curve brush. Recommend curve brushes so you can hit that crown. But yeah, curve brushes, boom. All products will be linked in the description, the whole website. Remember, use code MANJ15, 15% off. Join the Discord server. Please join the Discord server. You won't regret it. A nice community of waivers is what we're trying to build. But yes, join the Discord server. Get your butter moisturizer. And if you're using Can2, bro, you don't got this, bro. Go ahead and get this, bro. It's worth it. Can2, that drying my hair out is real bad for you. But if you get this, perfect. Butter and moisturizer. I used this last night and my hair, it feels really nice, healthy. I need to wash it and only use this to really test it out. But I feel the hold, like I really do feel the hold from the butter part of this. And then it looks really shiny and healthy in the mirror from just using the, I guess, the moisturizer part of this. So yeah. And I feel like a lot of elite wavers nowadays are going towards using products like this. So yeah, hop on that trend, yo. Thanks for watching. If you don't know how to moisturize your hair, watch this video right here. God bless.